Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Range Rover Evoque on a 70 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can do that from the key or from the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space along with the 3 individually folding rear seats should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then as I mentioned we'll hop in and run through some controls. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the whole way round the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. We also have the digital readout for the speedometer over there. On the right-hand side, the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. And within the rev counter, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's in park. We're in an automatic at the moment, of course. In the center, you can see we have the satellite navigation information displayed. And below that, the total miles for this car, which are 16,435. We back out to the steering wheel. We have our stereo and phone controls. We have our cruise control and speed limiter. And then over in the center, the first of 2 touchscreens in this car. So from here, you can access certain things along the bottom here. We can get to the home screen, which is the screen that we're on at the moment. And you can see here, for example, your satellite navigation. Again, back to the home screen from here. Media. So you'll be able to listen to your music via the radio, of course, and you can see just here, so radio, we have DAB, FM and AM. You can listen to your own music as well, and you can do that via Bluetooth audio, for example, so you could stream your music wirelessly once, that is, you have paired your phone, which is done by hitting the phone icon and then following the instructions on there to pair a new device. There are other screens available to you as well, and you'll see, for example, we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto both available. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you can then see the full color parking camera as well. Working our way down, we have the second touchscreen. So you can access menus along the top here. So vehicle information, settings, your heated seat menu, and your climate control, which is the menu we started on. From here, you can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed. You can adjust the fan speed for the car. You can, of course, adjust the temperatures. So this is the passenger temperature in Fahrenheit at the moment. You can change that to Celsius, and the same over on the driver side here. If you push that in, you are then controlling your heated seat. 3 different settings for the passenger, 3 different settings for the driver. You can, of course, do that through the seat menu should you wish to as well, and you can turn those off from there. We've got a heated front screen and a heated rear screen as well. The main volume for the stereo is just here, and then we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The last thing I want to show you is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So spare key is just there, so 2 keys in total. The V5 registration document showing it's a 2-owner car from new. We have some service history for the vehicle just there as well. It's also worth me pointing out that if this car requires an MOT within the 6-month period at the point at which we sell it, we will do that for you as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour of the vehicle, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.